आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बैक्टीरिया की क्लासिफिकेशन, occurrence ऑफ बैक्टीरिया एंड व्हाट इज बैक्टीरिया, इट्स डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, इट्स कंपोजिशन एंड डिफरेंट इट्स पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी। बात करते हैं बैक्टीरिया होता क्या है। बैक्टीरिया आर द माइक्रोस्कोपिक सिंगल सेल्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म that increase in diverse environment। बैक्टीरिया एक ऐसे माइक्रोस्कोपिक सिंगल सेल वाले ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो कि माहौल में बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार में पाए जाते हैं। अक्रेंस ऑफ बैक्टीरिया यानी कि बैक्टीरिया कहाँ कहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं। दे कैन लिव विद इन सॉइल, इन द ओशन एंड इनसाइड द ह्यूमन गट। Humans' relationship with bacteria is complex. Sometimes they lend a helping hand by curdling milk into yogurt or helping with our digestion. At other times they are destructive, causing disease like pneumonia. बाद औक़ात ये एक बीमारी फैलाते हैं नमूनिया जैसी, जो कि बहुत ही तबाहकुन होती है। इसके बाद देखते हैं इसकी स्ट्रक्चर। इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द रिलेटिव कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ देयर सेल्स। ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू, प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स। बैक्टीरिया और प्रोकैरियोट्स, the entire organism consists of a single cell with a simple internal structure. Unlike eukaryotic DNA, which is neatly packed into a cellular compartment called nucleus, bacterial DNA floats free in the twisted thread-like mass called nuclei. Bacterial cells also contain separate circular pieces of DNA called plasmids. Bacteria lack membrane-bound organelles, specialized cellular structures that are designed to perform a range of cellular functions from energy production to the transport of protein. Both bacterial and eukaryotic cells contain ribosomes, यानी कि यूकैरियोटिक और बैक्टीरियल सेल दोनों में राइबोसोम्स होता है। यूकैरियोटिक मीन्स ट्रू न्यूक्लियस, यानी कि जिनमें न्यूक्लियस पाया जाता हो, and prokaryotic cells do not have nucleus. Pro means before and eukaryote means carrion, nucleus. And on the outside of the bacterial cells, the bacterial cells are generally surrounded by two protective coverings. First is outermost cell wall and the inner cell membrane. Certain bacteria like the Mycoplasmas do not have a cell wall at all. Some bacteria may even have a third outermost protective layer called capsule. Bacterial surfaces can be covered by whip-like structure or extensions, which is called flagella or pili. Long flagella helps in the motility, while on the other hand, short pili help bacteria to attach the host surfaces. And now we will discuss its classification. Discuss the classification of the bacteria. A few different criteria are used to classify bacteria. They can be distinguished by the nature of their cell wall by their shape, structure, and genetic material or genetic makeup. Gram stain is the test used to identify bacteria by composition of their cell wall. It is named for Hans Christian Gram, who developed the technique in 1884. Bacteria are first stained with a purple dye called crystal violet, which specifically binds to peptidoglycan, a complex structure of amino acid and sugar found in the cell wall. This is followed by a series of steps that ultimately remove any unbound or loosely bound crystal violet. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं ये सेफरानिन क्या होता है. Then the cells are stained with the second red colored dye called saffronin. So next is gram-positive bacteria. What is gram-positive bacteria? Gram-positive bacteria stain purple because their cell walls are rich in peptidoglycan. Next topic is shape of bacteria. There are three basic structural shapes of the bacteria: round bacteria, cylindrical and spiral-like structure of the bacteria. Singular is a perihelium and bacillus is a singular, and singular coccus is a round bacteria. Cocci are plural. Cocci can also associate with one another in the different combination of two or Diplococcus, a linear chain or Streptococcus, and a cluster of Staphylococcus. The shape and configuration of bacteria are often reflected in their names. Next, you can see that Cocci bacteria, Bacilli bacteria, and others are you can see on the screen. Phylogenetic classification. It became possible with the start of nucleotide sequencing technology, the ability to read the order of nucleotide in the DNA or RNA.